You started exploring the platform and you came across issues? Or you just have questions? You can simply use the Contact Us and Report an Issue forms provided in the Gitbook page or the platform itself. In the Contact Us form, type in your name, your email address if you wish to receive a confirmation email. The confirmation email will be sent from an automated Microsoft Power Apps and Power Automate system. The comments and feedback sent will be sent to an internal messaging system and won't be made public. Don't hesitate to include as many details as possible so we can assist you better. Once we receive your comments, one of our team members will contact you in person to assist you with your request. When you report an issue, the details of the request will be published to the issue page of our MEDomicsLab GitHub repository. When testing, please make sure you are using the latest platform release version. Also, include a short summary of the issue detected and a detailed description of the issue. One important information we also ask of you is the label of the issue. For example, use the label bug when the issue faced is an error message or a platform crash. Use enhancement when you believe the platform can be improved by changing an aspect you think should be changed. If you are simply blocked or don't know how to use a module for a reason you don't understand, use labels such as question, help, or other. Once your request is submitted, it will appear on the Issues page of the GitHub repository, and one of the team members will analyze it and start working on it. You can always track the status of the issue by checking the Issues page of the repo. These same forms and functionalities are accessible via the Help menu of the platform as shown on the figure. Happy testing and stay in touch with us.